Well, last I know, you know. I love my son, you know, a long time here coming, 20 years, you know. You know what I mean? So, want people to like me things. I make some money and we can.
Yeah. So where the sound name?
From me. Sound source, you know what I mean?
How which part it come from?
Bullbeer, 9 Mile Bullbeer.
9 Mile Bullbeer. And what do you think about the sound we are here so far?
Well, nah lie. I like what I hear. 100%. See, any sound man out there, can't tell us that this man make me sound the way I want it. 100%, see?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, where you run go? A year time. What is about the sound now?
Yeah, man, the sound ready, man. The first day I hear the sound of place from where I listen until now.
Alright.
I'll continue.
What you say about your sound?
I want someone a bad sound on the road, man.
Yeah, man,
I
big
think
man, man, sound source, man. Yeah, man, coming from Mackie box to a big machine. You copy?
Alright.
Yeah, man. What?
Hard drive that.
Alright, alright.
Can you
You know, I'm not for the laptop again for you.
So I know it's external and I play from here, me know, you know.
Yeah, man. Far East.
Yeah, so find something else and play, you know, kind of jog.
Play the Far East. See if you have already been at Far East.
And just go and do nothing, the machine, these people.
Yeah, man, the big man, might the sound source, man.
Yeah, man, so the selector, I go and organize him thing. Because I know I don't edit nothing, you know, anything, my video, I send it out rough. Unless a song we did it. You see me? Time hot, you know, so it's when time hot, I saw computer behavior.
Yeah.
I feel it with, yeah, this warm, brother. So next time I take off this from here, so always put it underneath this and lift it a little bit.
Oh.
So, yeah, so just go and do your thing and make me go and feel system. Yeah, man.
The Far East with him.
Just play what you play. Any instrumental.
Love one.
You see me? So you don't know it go already. A sound source. Get selected them time. You see me? Don't get bummy, just find a song. You have to know your computer like your hand back in a bro. You see me? Or play over this boss. Alright. I can hear the middle before me turn on the bass. See it? Look on it.
Sound, you know, sound force, you know. I don't know, so we kill sound the most, you know. Father P and him now, Clive, Fire Clive, original Fire Clive. I make them know when you burn sound, fast and you feel that. Red and yes. Sound force, I'm gonna fire, fire listen. And it's free time, we don't never get me down. I know they try to use that, and I use that. Keep them with the brown sound, so I'm gonna fire, fire listen. And it's free time, we don't never get me down. Though they try to use that. midnight, and in the broad daylight, sun just a take your life. So we got in the dark when the action starts. But I got one, some never dead after expertly. Follow me on a musical duty. No, this is a life, remember the God. Hey, over one recoil. A sound source, we are the champion still. I'm in the garden. When I feel beg no friend and beg no pardon. No, we burn the fire in the curb. All over Waterhouse, I just still we have work them. Hey, jump on it now, the work. Hey, looking at Canada, bed, Mrs. A sound source, them alone. So get this straight, so that sound source, sound and rule around, yeah.
So that's why.
Yeah, there's one confession I'd like to make. Father Pete, you're great, man. You keep me and my woman very happy in the dance. Every time, you know? Sing and I've never wanted to play in the clash. You're playing in the clash. I said, no,